New York City is a treasure trove of attractions and experiences. Here are some of the best places to visit in the city. 1. Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. These iconic landmarks symbolize freedom and immigration. You can take a ferry to visit both sites and learn about their historical significance. 2. Central Park. This expansive urban park offers a peaceful retreat in the heart of Manhattan. You can explore walking trails, visit the Central Park Zoo, or simply relax by the iconic Bethesda Terrace. 3. Times Square. Known for its dazzling billboards and vibrant atmosphere, Times Square is a must-visit, especially at night when the lights shine brightest. 4. Empire State Building. Ascend to the top for breathtaking views of the city. It's especially magical at sunset. 5. The Metropolitan Museum of Art. One of the world's largest and most prestigious art museums, the Met boasts an incredible collection spanning centuries and cultures. 6. Broadway. Catching a Broadway show is a quintessential New York experience. The Theatre District offers a wide range of productions to choose from. 7. The Museum of Modern Art, MoMA. Explore a world-class collection of modern and contemporary art, featuring works by renowned artists like Picasso, Van Gogh, and Warhol. 8. Brooklyn Bridge. Walk or bike across this iconic bridge for stunning views of Manhattan and Brooklyn. It's especially scenic during sunset or early morning. 9. One World Observatory. Located atop One World Trade Center, this observatory provides incredible views of the city and offers a moving tribute to the events of September 11, 2001. 10. The High Line. This elevated park was built on an old railway track, offering a unique perspective of the city. It's adorned with greenery, art installations, and fantastic views. 11. The Guggenheim Museum. Designed by Frank Lloyd Wright, this architectural marvel houses an impressive collection of modern and contemporary art. 12. Chinatown and Little Italy. Explore these vibrant neighborhoods, known for their rich cultural heritage and delectable cuisine. 13. The Bronx Zoo. One of the largest metropolitan zoos in the world, it's a fantastic place for families and animal enthusiasts. 14. The Intrepid Sea, Air and Space Museum. Visit the USS Intrepid aircraft carrier and explore a diverse collection of historic aircraft and space artifacts. 15. The Cloisters. This branch of the Met is dedicated to medieval European art and is located in a serene setting in Fort Tryon Park. These are just a few highlights in a city that offers endless possibilities for exploration, culture, and entertainment. New York City truly has something for every traveler.